What if your windows could sing Christmas before you even open them? Imagine walking past your home on a chilly December night, soft golden lights twinkling through frosted glass, paper snowflakes gently hanging in the air, and garlands draping across the panes like a cozy holiday hug. Windows are like storybooks. They frame the warmth inside for the world to see. They're the eyes of your home, the places where outside and inside meet, where comfort and wonder coexist. But here's the question. How do you decorate them in a way that looks beautiful from both sides? How do you make them glow like a festive postcard without spending a fortune or using complicated materials? Today, we're unwrapping the most magical DIY Christmas window decorating ideas for 2025. Designs that are budget-friendly, heartfelt, and absolutely stunning. We'll go beyond the basics. Think glowing silhouettes, handmade ornaments, natural garlands, and cozy details that make every glance feel like Christmas morning. So grab your scissors, your cocoa, and a sprinkle of holiday imagination, because we're about to turn those plain panes into works of festive art. Where should you start when decorating your windows for Christmas? The secret to a gorgeous Christmas window is to start with a vision. Think of your window as a blank canvas. What story do you want it to tell? Do you picture something elegant and frosty with silvers, whites, and icicle sparkle? Or maybe warm and classic, full of reds, greens, and golden ribbons? Or even rustic and natural, where pine cones, twine, and berries bring a woodland feel indoors? Once you know your theme, prepare your foundation. Clean the glass. Clear reflections make your decorations shimmer more brightly. Then choose your base layer, maybe curtain lights, window cling snowflakes, or a simple garland framing the edges. Now start layering upward, hanging ornaments, bows, handmade paper art, or strings of ribbon that gently catch the light. You're not just decorating, you're storytelling through sparkle and glow. If this first step already painted a picture in your mind, hit that like button and share this video with someone who loves getting creative for Christmas. What are the trending window decor ideas for 2025? The big trend for 2025. Simple, natural beauty meets glowing charm. Gone are the days of over-cluttered designs. This year is all about texture, softness, and subtle sparkle. Here are the top trends. Paper silhouettes, cut reindeer, pine trees, stars, or entire snowy villages, and tape them on your window for a storybook look. Layered lighting. Curtain fairy lights behind sheer curtains for that dreamy, glowing backdrop. Nature-inspired garlands, pine, eucalyptus, or berry strands bringing life and texture to the frame. Hanging ornaments, glass baubles, or metallic stars hung at staggered heights for movement and sparkle. Frosted accents, snow spray or DIY fake frost around the corners adds a soft, magical edge. This year is also about mixing materials. Greenery with glass, paper with metal, light with shadow. It's that mix that makes your window decor feel intentional and enchanting. What's your dream Christmas window theme? Winter white, classic red and gold, or cozy rustic? Tell me below. I'd love to hear your favorite style. How can lighting make your windows glow beautifully? Lighting is everything. It's what turns simple decor into pure magic. The right light transforms a dark night into a golden glow that warms hearts from the street to the sofa. For an instant upgrade, hang fairy lights or curtain lights across the entire window. They create a glowing curtain effect that feels elegant and ethereal. Add battery candles or lanterns on the sill to create flickering reflections. If you want a bolder look, outline the window edges with small twinkle lights for that Christmas card home glow. Try mixing warm and cool tones, warm for coziness, cool for sparkle, to get that perfect festive balance. Hide cords with greenery or ribbons so everything looks clean and intentional. When the lights dim at night and your window softly glows against the cold, it becomes more than decor. It becomes a feeling. If cozy, glowing windows are your favorite Christmas vibe, hit subscribe. There's more creative inspiration coming all December long. How can you decorate your windows using DIY materials? DIY is where your personality truly shines. And the best part? You can make your windows look breathtaking using what you already have at home. Here are some easy and creative projects. Paper snowflakes, the classic never fails. Layer different sizes for a frosty effect. Window drawings, use chalk markers or snow pens to doodle stars, snow scenes, or holiday quotes right on the glass. Garlands, string together popcorn, cranberries, beads, or dried orange slices for a natural touch. Gift wrap cutouts. Use leftover wrapping paper to make stars, hearts, or Christmas tree shapes. Eco-friendly and beautiful. Ribbon hangers. Tie bows at various lengths on suction hooks and let them cascade down. You'll be amazed how a few handcrafted details can completely change the look and how much joy it brings to create it yourself. If you love turning simple things into something magical, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps spread the holiday spirit. How can you make your windows look festive from both inside and outside? The best Christmas windows look enchanting from every angle. From the inside, they should radiate warmth and comfort. From the outside, they should sparkle and draw the eye. For interior beauty, focus on layered textures, garlands, candles, or small hanging stars. For exterior appeal, outline the frame with lights or hang small wreaths in each window for a cohesive look. Balance is key. Too many decorations can block natural light, while too few might feel underwhelming. Use semi-transparent elements like snowflakes or glass ornaments to create depth and glow. Your goal is to create a little window story, something that makes passers-by pause and smile. If this helped you picture your own glowing Christmas windows, hit like and share this video with someone planning their festive setup. How do you make your window decor smell and feel cozy? Christmas isn't just something you see, it's something you feel. That cozy warmth comes from scent, texture, and the soft glow of light. Add a diffuser on your windowsill with pine, cinnamon, or orange essential oils. Use small candles, real or LED, for that flickering glow. If you have a window seat, drape a chunky throw or faux fur blanket, add cushions, and make it your favorite holiday reading spot. You want your window to invite you in, to feel like a hug when you pass by. If this cozy imagery made you smile, give this video a like, and share it with someone who loves warm holiday moments too. Your windows aren't just glass, they're a canvas for holiday joy. They're where the glow of your home meets the wonder of the world outside. From simple paper crafts to twinkling lights and handmade garlands, every detail you add tells your unique Christmas story. So this year, let your windows do more than let light in. Let them shine it back out. Because when your windows sparkle, your home feels alive, and your heart feels full.